Hi, you're watching DoubleCounterRealityMe.net, and something exciting's happened today. We received a package, so we're going to open up the package, and inside of it we're going to see that it is a box by MuchBuy. This obviously is the missing piece for my cell phone. Now, the last attempt to recover my iPhone 3GS. I've replaced the battery so many times I'm blue in the face. This, from MuchBuy, Beanie box, goes right out, is the dock. So what I'm hoping is that maybe something's gone wrong with the ability to charge my batteries, and I'm going to replace this piece inside the iPhone. You can see here's the speakers. There's the speakers. I think that's what that is. And there's the power dock. These should work. We'll see what happens. Alright, new power dock, new microphone, new speaker. See if it actually works. Oops.
What?
I have to put the sound card in.
Are you taking a video of yourself?
Well, I'll take a video of you too. No juice. This is a dead iPhone. That was my last attempt. I'm not going to do this anymore. Retiring it.